In this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can insert chart in Google Docs. So let's get started. So open your Google Docs. Okay, so once you have opened your Google Docs, you just need to simply look at the ribbon and you can find the Insert tab. And here you can find chart. You have bar, column, line, or pie. Now let's go with the bar chart, okay? Now this one will be added from here. So on how we can edit this chart, we just have to click on it. And here you have this three dots. Click on the three dots and here you have open source and then link. So click on open source and this will be open right here. Okay, you can also move this one. So it's time for you to edit the contents or the numbers right here for the data. So if you want to edit a chart or a line, a bar, click on that. Okay, click on that bar. Then right click and then you have to look for the option that you have here edit. You have here chart area, chart style, chart title, chart subtitle. Okay, data range. Okay, you have this one from here. You have here chart editor, so you can simply change the data from here and data range. Okay, then if you want to edit the whole chart, click on this chart and click on these three dots and select edit chart. Okay, so you have these options from here that you can choose to edit from. Now I'm just going to share to you on how you can insert a chart, but in case of adding a data, you have to add your own data. Anyways, I've shared to you on how you can edit the data right here in the chart. Just have to select your bar, right click, and then you have here for chart area, chart style, grid line and text and data range. Okay, so you can change that from here for the data. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.